look at this. We got a message, Shanta. Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Woolley. Greetings from Carlosa Hotel. We're honored and delighted to have you stay with us. That is awesome. And we have piña. We got pineapples. Woohoo! It looks like they have us a treat. A cassava cake as well. Oh, it's awesome. We got cassava cake and pineapple. Hello, mango bee.
Mango bee, sir.
Woohoo! This is awesome. This is exactly what we need after a 5-hour drive. We drove for 5 hours to this awesome hotel in Ormoc. From Giwan Samar all the way to Ormoc. Carlosa Hotel, guys. It is beautiful. Amazing.
Just across Robinson's.
Yes. Oh, beautiful big bathroom as well. Look at that. How fantastic. Woo. This is awesome. Wow. What do you think of this place, Mum?
5 star.
5-star, you reckon?
That's very good.
That's awesome, huh? Alright, Mum and Dad checking into their hotel. You want to see Grandma and Grandpa's hotel room?
Wait. You gotta knock. Wait. You knock on the door.
You knock on the door, okay? Knock on the door. Come on, you knock on the door.
Who's there?
Very nice. Oh, this is very cool. Yeah, it's flipped over. Yeah. Oh, look, you got the same note. Look at that. Look, you guys got pineapple and a cassava cake too.
Oh, sweet.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! Sup sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa Dwantro Vlog. We are here in Carlosa Hotel in Ormoc, right across the road from Robinson's. My mom is super happy about that kasi magsha-shopping siya mamaya. Natutulog pa si baby Nitro. Tulog pa siya kasi it's 6 a.m. pa lang. So today, siguro pupunta kami siyempre sa Robinson's para ma-fulfill yung mga gusto ng nanay ko mag-shopping dito sa Ormoc. Tapos, pupunta kami sa Baybayon ni Agalon, the place where I proposed to Shanta. Shanta! Doon po kami gagala, mag-swimming, ganun. Kasi hindi pa nakapunta doon si nanay at tatay ko. So, ayan ang plano natin today, Dwantro Fam. Shout out to Carlosa Hotel. This place is amazing. This exceeded our expectations by far. Grandma and Grandpa are awake. Thank you.
Up high. Give me 5. Up high. In the middle. On the side. Down low. Come on, don't cheat. Down low. Too slow.
Shanta, what food do you want to eat?
Tingnan natin yung pagkain.
Ayan, sige daw.
Dito, meron tayong bread. At saka mga jam butter.
Juice din.
May pancakes din sila.
Wow, sosyal.
Tapos gusto mo ng hot choco? Ay, pala, coffee pala. Tapos cereal, gusto mo? Kasi puti ka.
Alright, breakfast is done. That was quick. Good, Mom?
5 stars.
Wow. Lammy is how you say delicious here.
Oh, yummy.
Lammy. Alright, we're just waiting for Shanta now. She has to get some stuff and then alis na tayo. Punta tayo bayan ni Agalon. This is Carlosa Hotel's lobby. Ganda, no? Very relaxing dito. Pati yung amoy. Parang basta kaka-relax. Look at that, Mum. Right outside the hotel, we got Robinsons. Whoa, right across the road. Oh, that's a big spiky ball. Dito na po kami sa Robinsons Ormoc with my grandpa and my Santa. I'm gonna go shopping. This beautiful life. Alright, here we go in the car on the way to Albuera. And so we're gonna go swimming. Do you remember Ormoc much, Dad?
Yeah, it's actually better.
It's a bit better,
It's a
eh?
bit better than I remember 10 years ago.
Yes, everything has improved in the last decade. There's a pig in the cart, man. Andrew, you got your swords. Woohoo! Hey guys, we're here at Bayoni Agalon, Albuera, and we are gonna check this place out. We haven't been here in about a year, so we're gonna have a walk around, show Mum and Dad. They've never been here before.
I wanna show Mom the lizard. Ano itong tawag?
Iguanas.
Iguanas.
Ay, mga ibid. Here's a monkey. Woohoo! Here's a monkey, Nacho. Here's a monkey. Hey. I'm a minor bird. I can say hi, hello, how are you, good morning, good afternoon, thank you, you're welcome. The old one used to speak Bisaya and call you ugly. Pangit, pangit. You can say, yeah, this place is where I proposed to Shanta.
Yeah.
I did it over there in one of those huts over there.
Is it a resort? Like, what is it?
Yeah, it's like a zoo resort kind of thing. Ikaw akong kaistorya to ano? Lagi. Ibutang ninyo ang sing-sing sa halo-halo.
Sa ibabaw sa ice cream.
Sa ibabaw. Naka sa YouTube at to. 2016. Dugay na to. She was the one I spoke to about putting the ring in the halo-halo. Yeah. She's still there. There he is. So this is where I proposed to Shanta. Right here.
It swings, right?
Yeah.
Swings,
Yep,
yeah.
it swings. Yeah, it still
I
swings.
remember that.
It used to be cheaper too. Now it used to be like 900.
It doesn't swing anymore.
They've locked it in.
Oh, they've locked it in now, yeah. That's where I proposed to Shanta, Mum.
Oh, well, we just recreate it.
Recreated it.
Can't swing it anymore.
Yeah, it doesn't swing. It's more expensive now too.
Yeah.
I'll show you the house we want to build on our block.
Yes.
Yeah, a little cottage over this way. So, di ba, may lupa si Shanta sa Carigara. We want to build something on it, kahit maliit, but something that looks nice and something na bagay sa lupa. So, eto, ipapakita namin sa inyo. Ito yung gusto namin
Hindi,
ipatayo.
may main house din.
Ha?
May main house din yung...
Pero later na yan kasi
Oh,
mahal.
later, pag may house.
That's what we want to build. That little thing. I have no idea. I have to find out. But that'd be cool on the block, eh?
Yeah.
That'd be a good little Airbnb too. That's how you safeguard it, yeah. Pretty cool, eh, Mum?
Yeah, so cool.
Yeah. I'd love to build something like that.
Where's your sword, mate? You got to slay the dragon.
Good morning, Dwantro Fam. Nandito kami ngayon sa restaurant ulit for our breakfast. Iba ang sinserve nila today. Let's have a look. May cereal na tayo dito. Crab and corn soup. Got the rice. Salads. Lihong gisado. Sarap. We had some pizza this morning. A bit of everything. Lahat na lang. Opened up dried fish. Oh, and then you get a big pancake that looks yummy. Wow, yummy. Oh, Grandpa's loaded up. Got the burgers. So this restaurant is connected to the hotel. It's called Sabroso Restaurant. Awesome food. Alright, Mum, what do you think of Carlosa Hotel?
I give it 5 stars.
Yeah.
I'm sad to leave. So
Oh, you did?
Very comfortable. Good food.
breakfast was, what's the word? Is that delicious?
Sarap. Lame.
Yeah.
Lame.
That.
You say it.
Lemon?
Social.
And the staff. You can't fault the staff. They're so nice. They even press the button for the elevator.
Good service.
Alright guys, we are saying goodbye to Carlosa Hotel. You guys have been good to us. Maraming salamat po sa kayo. Maraming salamat. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Salamat, miss. Bye-bye.